Hello YouTube and Vitaly. This is a quick tutorial on how to use Open Broadcast, which is a free screen capture program that'll pretty much let you catch uh, audio or video input from various little outlets here. The best way to do it, now Open Broadcast is free, you can actually get it from a website. If you just Google search Open Broadcast. There it is, Open Broadcast Software, or obsproject.com. You just click on that, and then you go to download OBS Studio, and it'll basically you download it, you run it, you install it, and eventually you will end up with something that looks like this on your desktop. I've already got it open because I'm actually recording this video with Open Broadcast. Now, there is several things that you do need to do, and that's in order to set up your recording, or your settings rather. If you go to File, and your third option should be Settings, if you click on that, it should give you a pretty straightforward guide. I'm going to go through each one. You guys can pause the video if you'd like and kind of see what my settings are. Half of these settings, to be honest, I don't even really understand, so I don't mess with them too much. And Open Broadcast, besides being a very decent, very straightforward screen capture or media capture software, can also act as a streaming software, so you can stream live videos. All you got to do is just, if I'm not mistaken, set up a server and a stream key and stuff like that, and you're pretty much all set. Beyond that, there's streaming settings, recording settings. Like I said, if you want, you can just pause the video and have a closer look. The options set up, or the settings set up themselves, or the format does vary from version to version. And it won't actually let me set or mess around with the video settings too much, because as you can see in this little red warning here, video output is currently active. Please turn off any outputs to change video settings. So it won't let you change video settings if you're currently at that time recording. You can also set up hotkeys, and if you'd like to go into more detail, which half the stuff I don't even understand, by all means go for it. Now, once you set up your settings, okay, you would need to make a scene, which is basically a saved set of the settings. So if you've got one scene in quotations for recording video games, you can go for that one, or if you've got one for online tutorials, there you go, or some sort of Photoshop picture stuff, by all means. The way to do it is you would need to go click in the little scene column, go to add, you can name your scene. I've already got one that's Let's Play for a different thing entirely. Anyway, you do that, and it'll show what it's trying to capture. Now, you would also need to add some sources. For audio input, I use my default mic slash headphones, because my microphone's part of my headphones there. You just press OK. Never mind. I'm not sure if it's not letting me change it because I'm currently recording. Okay, audio output. Ultimately, what you would want to do is go through your media options, and you can either add display capture, which is basically it'll capture your entire it won't let me change it because I think it knows I'm currently trying to record. You basically add sources, and if you choose display capture, it'll at that time capture everything on your desktop. But if you want to give a verbal description, like if you're trying to narrate your tutorial, you would also want folks to be able to hear what you're saying. So you can add, as part of your source to be recorded, right click add, and for audio choose mic and aux. Microphone and audio. And that's pretty much it. After you do that, you pretty much start recording. This normally doesn't say stop recording. It says stop recording right now because it's actively recording as we speak. You would put start recording. You can minimize the screen and you can do whatever you want. You can open up games. You can really do whatever you want. And for video editing, you can pretty much use whatever you want. Anything from Adobe Premiere to I found some free software online called VSDC, free video editor. But honestly, that part of the video can be covered by anything you want. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, and Vitaly, I hope this helps you out. Thank you.